Okay, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And as I promised in the last video, we're gonna make the Snowball cocktail to see if there's anything better that comes out of this Lady Velvet Anisette. So naturally, as I was figuring out, the ingredients, it says, some gin or vodka, anisette, and then cream. Okay, shake well, stir into the cocktail glass, that's great. But I figured, okay, I know there's gin in the liquor cabinet, right? Burton's gin. I challenge you to find Burton's gin anywhere locally. I don't know that it's made anymore, so we are truly raiding the liquor cabinet again. So the ratios are 1.5 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of anisette, and 1/2 ounce of cream. So I'm going to try to bang this out pretty quickly because it's hot and I'm sure my ice is melting. So let's get into it. I'm trying to keep my head over here so that the the sun doesn't come right through here. So there's your cream. We're going to do the 1.5 ounces of gin. I don't have a proper jigger here, so we're sort of estimating as best as we can. And again, you want a quality gin, it's Burton's gin. And then here's 1/2 ounce of the anisette. I'm kind of excited for this Snowball cocktail, if for no other reason that my cat Snowball, passed away about a year ago. She was my best buddy, so we're making this in honor of her. Shake it up. All right, let's see what this comes out like. Well, I mean, it's probably going to be creamy, right? This is the perfect glass, tiny, like a mini coupe. We're closer to the top than I thought it would be. I'll be honest with you. It was a little scary. Let's get this stuff over to the right. This might actually be pretty good. God damn, it's like magic. This is awesome. This is like better than eating a pint of ice cream. Huh. Well, there you go. So not only can you raid your parents' liquor cabinet and drink straight spirits, but you can also mix up cocktails with, mix up cocktails based on classic recipes. Snowball cocktail. I'll put a link below because I know you're going to want to try it. I'll see you next time. Cheers, folks.